Guess who not on call? But I leave work 11 o'clock in the night. Look how darkness catch me. Other people them work. I am done. I am done. Don't do it. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nella for those of you who don't know, and this is a week in my life. Well, so today is a clinic day, so I'm just seeing patients until it's time for home, despite leaving work at 11 o'clock last night. Hi Casper. Hello Casper. This is what my dog decides to do. I'm feeling high. Parkour Beach, Clarendon. I'm feeling high. I'm feeling high. Oh, she in the courtyard. You are going to already. Happy birthday. Yo, you do that, oh, please. That's not gonna happen. Not for you to have fun. Not for you to have fun Instagram one day. So I'm done. So today is obviously a duty day, and judging by the look on my face, I am clearly over the duty. I've been doing quite a few surgeries, I'm tired, and yeah, that's what I've been up to.